Hi everyone. I'm just spending a little time in Volunteer Park, which would be in Seattle on Capitol Hill, a little city nature. But I'm just struck by this sort of canopy of trees and the water tower that's behind, and this sort of just surrounded by old growth, old trees. And I just wanted to share it because it's a beautiful morning, even with the flight path overhead. So I want you to have a great day. Enjoy your Wednesday here in Seattle, Thursday elsewhere, and enjoy and unity always. Bye for now.